Richie Ruckus Beats.
YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. Happy Thanksgiving Eve. As you can see, I am not in my sneaker room right now. I'm actually, surprisingly, at the Tropicana here in Atlantic City, and I have a brand new unboxing that I want to break out for you guys real quick. The usual, we'll do a quick review, we'll do the on foot. My stupid me forgot to check my camera before I came here, and it's on 10%. I brought no charger, so we're gonna have to try to get through this as quick as possible before I lose battery on my camera. Like I said, brand new pickup from the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. I know it's becoming redundant at this point that I just every single unboxing recently has been from Lapstone Hammer. But you guys know the drill. Let's get a glimpse. All these warlocks. We got the Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0 Ltd in that cream colorway. This sneaker is a grail to a lot of sneakerheads. When the 1.0 first came out, a lot of people were still sleeping on the Ultra Boost, myself included, as I was not rocking with Adidas at the time. I was strictly rocking Nike and Jordan retros. So these have been on my list forever. And as you guys know, I'm not part of this whole resale game, so I was not going and paying the crazy prices for these on StockX or GOAT. I don't have the original to compare it to, but to the naked eye, it looks identical to the original one that released a few years back. It's got the 1.0 toe box pattern. It's got the gray accents, cream next to the stripes, and it's just fire. The prime knit on the 1.0 I always thought was nicely done, and thought that the toe box print was way better than any other Ultra Boost to come out since then. Well, that's it, guys. I'm not going to take up too much more of your time. We're going to go do the on foot. I hope you guys have a safe and happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. I will be back later next week with some more videos, but until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beats.
this background. I might get a strip curtain for the heels.
Richie Ruckus Beats.